If you use Method CRM and QuickBooks to run inventory-heavy business, there's a good chance your sales and admin workflows are pretty organized until inventory physically arrives at the warehouse, and suddenly the process can become a clipboard, a spreadsheet, a few photos in someone's phone, and someone saying, "I'll update QuickBooks later." That can be a scary scene. I'm Jason from Norvel Systems, and this is the Inventory Receiving app. It's an external integrated app built for Method CRM users who need a faster, cleaner way to receive inventory against purchase orders. The app connects with Method CRM and QuickBooks so warehouse teams can receive inventory from a mobile-friendly screen while the back office gets cleaner records without all the manual re-entry. The app is built for manufacturers, distributors, warehouse teams, and other ops-heavy businesses using Method and QuickBooks. If your team receives inventory against purchase orders, especially away from a desktop, this is the workflow the app is designed to improve. Because warehouse teams don't need a 47-tab admin dashboard, they need to find the PO, enter what arrived, capture proof, and move on. So here's the workflow. A warehouse user opens the app and searches for the PO they are receiving against. We're going to take a look inside Method here, and we have a PO 1011 with 2 items. Both of these items have the full quantity remaining. Back in our app, we can search for our PO 1011. And now that we've opened the PO, we can see ordered quantities in the total column, what has already been received in the billed column, and what is still remaining in the receipt column. So instead of guessing, checking a spreadsheet, or walking back to the office, they can work from the app directly from their phone inside the warehouse. From here, they enter the quantities that actually arrived. That could be a full receipt, or it could be a partial receipt, because inventory rarely arrives the way that the spreadsheet very promised. The point is that the person closest to the shipment can update quantities while it's still in front of them. So let's say in this case, the black floor pad, we got all 5 of them, but the packages of duct tape, we only got 6 of the 8 that we ordered. We can also capture photos of the received inventory and collect a signature. That gives the admin team proof of what arrived, what condition it was in, and who signed off. So instead of chasing down photos later or digging through email threads, the receipt details stay attached to the receiving record. So here, if I click on click to upload images here, I can, here I'm just uploading from my computer, but if I was on my phone, I could take a picture. And then I have a space to sign and submit. Behind the scenes, the app created the required QuickBooks transactions, either a bill in QuickBooks Online or an item receipt in QuickBooks Desktop. It also updates 2 custom fields added to your Method account at the purchase order line item level, received and remaining. We saw those fields earlier. It can also notify the admin team with the receipt details, include images and signatures. So the warehouse team does one clean action and the system stays aligned behind the scenes. Let's take a look at what happened in Method. On our purchase order now, we have the black floor pads have received 5, remaining 0, and the duct tape have received 6, remaining 2. And if we take a look at our bills, this is a QuickBooks Online Method account. You can see May 25th, which is today's date, and 1011 has the black floor pad 5 and duct tape quantity of 6. So back over here in our app, I could open that same PO later if those extra 2 showed up. And now, since the black floor pad is already fully received, my default is a receipt of 0 because 5 have already been billed. And for the duct tape, we can receive those remaining 2 because 6 of the 8 have already been billed. So we can go through the same process here and receive those last 2 items. So the value here is pretty simple. Your warehouse team gets a fast mobile receiving workflow. Your office team gets better data. Method CRM and QuickBooks stay more accurate, and your business spends less time manually reconciling what arrived, what was entered, and what still needs to be fixed. because nobody wakes up excited to manually reconcile received quantities. And if they do, you may want to check if they're okay. They probably need a hug. You can find the inventory receiving app on the Loadout marketplace at getloadout.com. If you haven't heard of Loadout, it's a marketplace for Method users to discover apps, integrations, automations, and custom solutions that extend what they can do with Method. So find the app in the marketplace and click on Contact Developer to book a meeting with me. You might have to sign up or sign in first to do that. I'll take a look at your Method and QuickBooks workflow, confirm whether the app is a fit, and talk through what customization or onboarding you might need for your business. I'm Jason from Norvel Systems. Thanks for watching.